All right, YouTube, we're going to do another Granitestone Piezano pizza oven video, and I'll add this to the Piezano playlist on my channel if you want to see all my experimenting with this, the good, the bad, and the ugly. This pizza here is a thin and crispy supreme from Walmart, one of my favorite frozen pizzas, and they do say in the instructions to thaw frozen pizzas first before you cook them on this, but I've done some experimenting with this, and I'm going to actually cook this at 800 degrees on top and 700 on the bottom for 6.5 minutes. So right now we're just waiting on the oven to preheat, and we'll throw it on there and we'll show you what we got. All right, so the oven is preheated. So we're going to go ahead and get this pizza on our pizza peels or pizza paddles, whatever they call them in the instructions. And go ahead and place the pizza on the pizza stone here. And I know it's not dirty, it's just actually seasoned, which is a good thing according to the instructions. And so now that the pizza's on there, we're going to go ahead and close it. Set timer for 6.5 minutes.
6 minutes and 30 seconds, starting now.
And as soon as the timer's done here, we'll cut it open. I'll show you the bottom, and I think you'll be happy with the result. Stop timer.
6 minute and 30 second timer stopped on the dot.
All right, so there's our 6.5 minutes up here. And just look how delicious the pizza looks. May have steamed the camera lens a little bit here, but we'll grab our pizza peels, get it transferred over, and just turn this off. And I'll just check out this pizza here. Go ahead and cut a slice off here, and just show you what the bottom of it looks like. It turns out really good this way. Pretty horrible job cutting it, but such is life. Let's see how steamy it is. And let me show you the bottom here. Oh, shoot, toppings. Yeah, made a little cleanup on aisle 5 here. Let's try that again. Can't believe that happened. Actually makes me a little bit sad here. I hate wasting food. But anyway, as you can see, it cooks it nice and crispy. And it's just about perfect that way. So anyway, so Walmart Supreme Pizza. Thin crust cooked from frozen on the Piezano Granitestone pizza. If you have any questions or comments, I'll leave them in the comments. And like always, if you're going to be mean, at least be funny.